PETECH overall brands?
Well, there are many manufacturers in the world who make a very precision machine. So Honda IBI is one of them, and recently we bought a 2-meter machine. It has recently been installed, and still some fine tuning is going on. And I hope that Honda IBI will take care of this. Otherwise, the machine is very precise. We are happy with the service after sales. Any issues, the engineers come there to take care of it.
So what do you like most about our product?
I mean, in engineering, in the CNC machines, you need precision and production. So both we are getting it.
So how is the experiencing PETECH?
Yeah, it is a good experience. They are taking care of our requirements and our special requests. We are able to talk to engineers, and they take us very seriously.
Are you satisfied with design of the machines, or do you think about any changes?
Well, one should never be satisfied with the design of the machine, and that's how you improve.